everyone. Today we are considering formatting a system unit, which in our example is a standalone thin client. So for this example, we make sure that our we plug in the power and the VGA, likewise the mouse and the keyboard. For this example, we are making use of a wireless keyboard and a wireless mouse. And another thing we make sure that is inserted is our bootable flash, which is this USB device. So what we do next, we put on the system and press an F9 from the keyboard. So when we do that, we just wait a minute or under some seconds and see the effect on the system. So now after we pressing the F9, the flash has come up. So we just use the arrow key to make the right selection. So for this example, we are selecting the 0, which is a Windows NT what's that is on the setup. So we hit and enter. So once we hit on the enter, we allow it to come up. So for this example, we have list of various windows on the list, but the one we are working with is this very one called Windows 8.1. That is a server 2012 R2 X64. We're working the 64 bits. So we hit on enter again. So it's loading file. So let's just wait. It's about to finish the loading. So now the window is coming on now. Yeah, it has booted to the Windows 8.1 that we're interested in installing at the moment. So as we can see setup is starting. So from here we have the language selection. So we go with English United States and click on next. After then we have our drive or the partition. Possibly we select this and click on format, and it will warn us that the partition will be deleted. Whatever file that is inside will be formatted or will not be able to recover, which we are okay with. We click on OK, and what we just await the next to be available. So now we click on the next button for the Windows installation to start. So now it's copying files. So let's just have some patience for the files to be copied to our hard disk or the internal storage of the system. Installation, you notice that it keep adding up, or the getting file ready for installation, it unpack itself and gets added in the percentage value.